This tutorial shows how to install Java SE 11, IntelliJ IDEA 2019, and JavaFX 11 with SceneBuilder 11 on Windows 10 64-bit operating system. Okay, let's go to oracle.com to download Java SE 11 for long-term support. So click download and then go down Java SE 11 0.3 long-term support. Offset license agreement. Then click binary.exe format 150 megabytes. Okay, I will download it to my desktop. You may download Java 11 documentations. Again, this is optional. $49 megabytes. Okay, to install JDK 11, simply double click. Okay, next, just make sure you try to remember installation directory. It may take a few minutes to install on your hard drive. Close. Now let's look at C drive, program files, Java. Okay, the last one I just installed here, JDK 11.0.3. Okay, make sure you remember that directory. If you can, please copy. And goes to Advanced System Setting, Environment Variables. Click New and variable name Java Home. Variable value installation directory for JDK. Click Pass. Click to New. Java Home include directory called bin. Close it all. I think pretty much that's all. So if you browse through, you can compile Java source code with Java C. You can launch Java program with the Java. So you can open command prompt, then Java C dash version. It's going to give you Java compiler version, which is 11.0.3. Okay, let's look at JetBrains IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, click download. I will download community editions. So JetBrains runtime 11. About 500 megabytes. Okay, I already downloaded. So installation is straightforward, just double click. Okay, next. Okay, that's fine. Next. Here I may click 64 bits launcher on my desktop. So if you like to have a shortcut, you may tick first one. Next. Okay, next. Again, it will take a few minutes to install on your hard disk drive. Okay, I will check launch IntelliJ, then finish. Okay, the first time will take for a while to launch IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, I don't want to import. Okay, I confirm. Continue. I will select light version. I want to show you what's available. Then, okay, now start using IntelliJ IDEA. Again, it will take a few seconds. So let's wait. Okay, create new project. Okay, I will select Java version 11. Next. Okay, I think I will create sample Java Hello World. This is project name, so it's a good idea to name it. And have a look at project location as well. Okay, close. Let me enlarge it. Okay, I like to see actually projects. So under projects, we have source code called main. So that is actually main.java. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 lines. Okay, IntelliJ IDE Community Edition 2019.1.1. And this is how you can run the projects, or you can use icon on your right hand side. Again, it will take a bit of a time at the beginning. You can see underneath there is a build. Once it's done, it's going to print it a hello world on the output window. Okay, here you go. Hello world. Okay. Before I finish, let me change some settings. Go to editors and then let me look for font. That looks very small, so let me change to 16 font size. Again, you don't have to, because I like to demonstrate with a bigger font size. Okay. Look at the source code, it's slightly bigger, Also, output hello world looks slightly bigger as well. So I will keep it this way. Again, you can learn main class. Some of you may know you don't have to compile all the time, because when you run the projects, if there is any changes, it will be up to date. It means it will be saved, then compiled, then it will run main methods. I think that's all for IntelliJ installations. Okay, now let me just look at default directory under your username, IDEA projects, hello world, name of your projects, and then you have a source code called main.java. So at least you know where it is. Okay, this time we will install SceneBuilder. Okay, we are going to download SceneBuilder 11.0.0 for Java 11. Save file on my desktop, my case. Okay, now let's download JavaFX. I will download JavaFX Windows SDK 11.0.2. Click download. Again, I will download to my desktop. Installation is quite straightforward. We just unzip it. So I will keep it same way. Program files, Java. So on the C drive, program files, Java directory. I will just drag and drop. Okay, on the Java, now we have JavaFX SDK, and then library. Directory, we have Java files. Okay, now let's go back to IntelliJ. This time, let me create a JavaFX application. I will name it as JavaFX Hello World. Finish. This window. So this time on the project name source, we have a package called sample. We have 3 files. Okay. Main.java to launch main methods, then compiler, and then fxml file as well. As you can see, the JavaFX library is now available. Since Java 11, Oracle is not supporting or no longer support JavaFX, so that's why we have to install it separately, or we can say we have to install additional library. Okay, projects, libraries, plus Java. Try to locate your JavaFX installation directory. Okay, C drive, program files under Java, and there is a JavaFX SDK 11.0.2, and just click library. Okay, As you can see, now it's activated. Okay, let's see whether it works or not. So let me run this program. Ideally, it's supposed to open one window and then with a title called Hello World. Okay, now you cannot locate javafx.fxml, and there is some exceptions as well. Again, something else we need to do. Okay, go to Run, Edit Configurations. Okay, you just need to set up only once VM options. Module paths, C drive, you may report to javafx SDK library. Let me copy, paste it. You can make it wider. Leave one space. Then add modules. You may add at least 2 modules: javafx.controls, javafx.fxml. Okay, two of them. You may need to add a couple of others if you use graphics, but usually fxml controls are enough. Please be familiar with these comments. Why you may need to write it down somewhere. Okay, you just need to do that only once per project. Let's see what happened now. It launched properly, isn't it? The title Hello World. Close it. I'd like to give you one warning, so let me go back to the same configurations. Try not to put space between javafx controls and javafx.ml. If you have one space, you have a problem with javafx.fxml cannot be found. Okay, as simple as one space. So try not to put that space. Okay, apply. Okay. Launch your application again. This time it will work. Okay. So there's a one warning. Please be careful. I think that's all for this. Okay, SceneBuilder 11 installation is straightforward. Just double click and follow the instructions. Install. Again, it does not show you installation directory, but it will be C drive, program files, and then SceneBuilder. The SceneBuilder. Okay. That's the SceneBuilder.exe. Okay, let's create a new project. JavaFX application. I will use the same name, JavaFX Hello World. Previous project I already removed. Okay, this time idea is we are using SceneBuilder for UI design rather than typing manually. by hand. Same problem we have first time when you create the projects. You cannot reach to javafx and fx modules. So we need to add a library because Java 11 does not come with the javafx library. So program files, javafx SDK directory, then library. So we can add javafx library to the project. Now the warning disappear. Now we can set Java SceneBuilder, javafx pass to SceneBuilder, C drive, program files on the SceneBuilder. Okay, make sure you select SceneBuilder.exe. Okay, apply OK. So if you run your project, again you may face certain errors. Okay, javafx runtime components are missing. Okay, it means we need to add VM options. Okay, same VM options. Module pass to javafx library. Leave one space and then add module. Let's try to launch our application again. Okay, this time it works. Now I will show you how to use SceneBuilder to design user interface. Okay, the sample comes with a grid pane. For simple demonstration, I will add one button. Okay, button, I will change the label to OK. FX ID, I will say BTN OK. BTN stands for button. And the on action BTN OK handler for event handler. Save it. Then go back to IntelliJ. So we can see that there is a button and the button OK. We can create a event handler method. Controller implements initializable. We need to implement the abstract methods. It's called initialize. For our button implementation, I will say javafx hello world. Run main. So I just quickly demonstrated how to use SceneBuilder to do UI design. So we already collected SceneBuilder, so we can just open it. Let me add one more UI control. So I will drag and drop label. For label, I say LBL message. LBL stands for label. Save it. So we have a label. We can create a label message. But let's implement LBL message. Set text. I may use the same message. So when we click OK buttons, it's going to print it out javafx hello world on console. Also, it will print out that message to label object. Let me learn it whether it works or not. Okay, now we can see a message also on console javafx hello world. Actually, in practice, BT and OK is supposed to be there as well. And it should be declared as a private, okay? And that should be private. Then also fxml prefix should be there. Here, click LBL message. It gives you warning, isn't it? Either you put a prefix or you declare as a public. So I prefer to declare as a private. Then let me put the prefix. Okay. Again, if you learn it, we should be able to use the exactly same thing. Thank you.